and this episode is on how to clean gold jewelries at home. Here are my few gold jewelries which I use on daily basis when I'm at home or to office. So here I'll be sharing a tip how to clean gold jewelry very easily at home. You can see how dark the chain has turned, and this step will also help you in removing the saltwater sediments from the jewelers. This method can also be applied to stone studded jewelries. Now let's see how to do it. In a bowl, take some water and heat it. Bring it to a little boil. Now add in your gold jewels. You require baking soda. Add a little baking soda when the water is boiling and simmer the flame and allow it to boil for about 1 minute so that the dirt come out. You can see the water has changed color and the dirt is slowly coming out. After 1 minute, turn off the flame and allow it to soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now take some dishwash liquid or any mild soapy solution. Use a mild soft brush or any old brush to gently rub the jewels. Now take each jewels one by one and rub it with the help of your dishwash liquid and the soft brush. Rub on all edges and corners so that the dirt gets removed. This process will help the dirt to come out very easily since we have already soaked the jewels. I am brushing on all corners and sides until the dirt comes off easily. Now I have brushed every jewels and we have to rinse this thoroughly in plenty of plain water. Now let's wash it. Take your jewels and wash it gently. Don't take it near the wash sink. It may tend to fall down or you may miss it. So wash it on another surface. Wash with lot of water. Rinse away the soapy solutions completely. Once you have completely washed the jewels, take a clean cloth or some tissue paper and wipe all your jewels. Let it dry. I am using a piece of tissue paper to wipe the water from the jewels. You can see they are shining like anything. Now see the color of the chain has changed really well. All the dirt has been gone off. And the saltwater sediments have been completely removed. and it's looking very neat and clean now. The stone studded jewelry is also shining like anything. You can see the live result now. So this is the method I follow to clean my jewels at home. Hope you like this tip. It will give me a very big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.